What's up guys, Antonio Sosa here, and I'm going to be going through a quick tutorial about how to make a Motivational Monday post. Why make a Motivational Monday post? That's a totally separate video, but generally, content for your social media. So we're going to begin by going to canva.com. It is a free website. You get to use all different kinds of different formats. So today we're going to be working with Instagram. Usually have particular settings, 180 pixels by 180 pixels. Let that load up. I've already used a couple of these, so keep it different. I've used that one over here. They always get pretty good engagement, especially on Mondays. So let's go ahead and find a good one that you want to use. I've used these two before as well, pretty good ones. And I have not, this was the last one I used, so I think I'm gonna do this one. Then next Monday I'll use that one right there. So let's go ahead and use this. It's got nice big bold letters. So now that we have our template, next thing we need to do is find out what we're gonna say on here. So let's just look up motivational quotes. So now that the website loaded up, we're going to begin looking for some quotes that just speak out more to you. If you like them, they're going to like to somebody else. One thing that I've heard is it doesn't have to be all amazing, all powerful. If it impacted you, it'll impact somebody else. It's not just true that we have never lived. See, this one seems pretty good. I like Thoreau's quotes. So now we go here. Sorry if you could hear anybody in the background. Those are my roommates. Shrink that down, make it fit. So now it's pretty much you just want to make it nice and readable. Cool. See, there we go. And I'll probably make that, move that down. People know it's a quote. Put hashtag Motivational Monday. Sorry guys, it's my dog. She's a Cocker Spaniel, by the way. Motivational Monday. Now, my wife and I do brand management, social media management. So this is for that individual, Manny Carrera. Great, so this looks good. Oh, gotta mess with the space bar right here. Too much space. That looks better. So this is pretty much part one. Sorry for the abrupt ending. What I was gonna say was, after you have your post ready, all you need is to add some of your own content from yourself, from your own mind. It's gonna look too staged if you copy and paste this caption part. So when you're uploading to social medias, you have to come up with something semi-original. Obviously, you've read or watched videos about motivational things that you can add onto your caption. It significantly increases the engagement of your post. So I highly recommend that after you've downloaded this picture, you add a caption and then you include your hashtags. It's very important. So again, thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later on. Thanks.
Wanna make love, she ain't even in the night.